even start these proof questions? Wait, I don't even remember the concepts that I learned last year. And how do I even understand these real-world context problems? I give up.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, Mr. Lincoln. I'm actually really struggling with this question and I think I need your help.
So you have trouble trying the proof questions?
Yeah.
Difficulties in recalling concepts? Struggling to understand real-world context problems that you have learned? Oh, that's totally describing you, right? This program that we're going to have. You know, the group of students that we are aiming to help so that they can do well for their end of year exam. We have 4 modules that we are going to cover, which students generally face difficulty with. That includes vectors. Do you know what is vectors even?
Yes.
Calculus, APGP, sequence and series usually are grouped together, functions, graphing techniques, and most importantly, the one that you are struggling. I believe you all threw your pen away because of the problem of real-world context. Yes. So I think if you were to sign up with us, you can get these contents being revised and maybe even retaught if need be. But before that, let's just play a very simple game, right?
Game?
We play called Guess the Topic. So when you look at these questions, which topic is it under? I think it's a giveaway, right? You see the question already say geometric progression. So which one do you think?
Is it APGP?
Yes, very good. Well done. Question 2, right? This one, there's a terms of the sequence, you know, so I think it's quite clear, right?
Sequences and series?
Yes, this is like word search, right? Have this. Oh, this one has a funny looking little symbol here. If you know what this symbol means, it should be.
Is that graphic technique?
No, good try, but I think this one is under summation, right? So summation is also under sequences and series. And of course, maybe something like this, you know.
Ooh.
I think the answer is already over here, right? It is
Functions.
a functions question. So these are the type of questions that we actually will go through. So what is part D trying to ask you? Another pigeon fly has a flight path with this equation. Without using the calculator, determine if the pigeon's path the flight path cross. Okay, nothing to do with the question. But the pigeon won't bang into each other, so definitely they won't cross. No intersection. Not the pigeon die, right? Okay, we forget about all the common sense. We just do it as a question. So basically, what they are trying to do is that one pigeon fly in a certain way, right? So it's a line. The other pigeon fly in a certain way is a line, right? What we are trying to check now or figure out now is that whether these two lines intersects. So is there an intersection between the two lines? To save time, I'm not going to show you that. I will tell you that they will not be the same. So there will be no solutions for lambda and mu that satisfy all 3 equations. So we have plenty of questions to go through with you during the courses. I think we can look more into it. You know, the vectors questions, I think I've already explained one of it earlier to you. Vectors, PIWC, you know, they kind of come hand in hand.
So there can be 2 of these in one question?
Correct. They can combine the topics into one question.
Oh, okay.
So don't worry too much about it. I'll see you there during the course and we can look more into such questions.
Okay, thanks Mr. Lincoln. I'll see you at the program.
Bye.
Bye-bye.